I'm recording.
Alright, so we're going to try to microwave a banana. Put a paper towel under there just in case it gets messy. I don't know how much to go, but let's try 30 seconds. Let's see what a hot banana tastes like. This is going to be good. Never in my life have I ever microwaved a banana. Uh-oh, I hear it popping. I might have to eat this with a fork. Ooh. 11. Can it take it for 30 seconds? Can it do it? Ooh. Smell that. Alright. Let's check this out. Oh, it's a little warm. Alright, let's see what we got. It's hot. It's a warm banana. I like it. Microwave banana. Dr. Jack approved.